Hello YouTube, this is Reno Dan, and I'm at the Harley Davidson dealership. I rode my Pan America Special here, 2023. I don't know if you can, I still got some mud on my bike, so I was hoping the rain would clean her up, because the other day I was going through the back roads and there was like this really deep puddle of water with gravel, and I'll just ride through it, and I did. And I got some mud, but the rain looked like it cleaned it up a little bit. My seat's gonna be really soaked, so it's cool. And I don't know if you can see that, but my boots got muddy because the water went into my boots from the ride. It was pretty awesome. But I would never ever take my lowrider ass out in the rain like this, but this bike is waterproof. It's meant for this. Super excited. So here we go. I'm gonna be riding home. I have 500 miles on her soon. I'm gonna try to get 1,000 miles before the 31st of this month, so I can get my first service. So super excited. If you guys can stay with me and see, maybe we can see how this bike goes. But so far, I'm loving the bike. It is amazing, and I'll have to do a full review when I get my GoPro on my helmet, and I can actually talk about it as I ride. All right, thanks for watching, and you guys have a nice day. Bye.